Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to be talking about Chargey Badness. Yes, the same Chargey Badness you've been seeing in the news recently. Because he makes some 87 them box up one of your favorite young artists them. Youth named Silk Boss. By now you have seen the videos. All kind of reaction to the video. Some people have said it's unfortunate. Some people find it extremely funny. But I'm going to tell you now about Chargey Badness. And think of this as an intro. Because I can't give you the full Chargey Badness story without when you see the videos from some of the people who make the story complete. For example, man like Jackie and them people. You have to understand the other individuals them before it starts to make sense. But think of this as an intro to Chargey Badness. He's currently abroad. Find him there and make him 87 of them box up the youth. But before I'm going further, I want to send a special Patreon birthday shout out to none other than the Caprell. Caprell, you don't know, is a belated birthday shout out, but you know that guy already. Big up yourself, hope you had a great day, wish you nothing but the best. More life to you and your family. See you next year, just show up a little earlier. Big up yourself. Now, we can move into the video. Now, believe it or not, Chargey Badness and your favorite artist is currently engaged in a gang war. Yes, your favorite artist will have prison right now. Remember recently when you used to also burn down very good park and all them things there? There was even a big gun find. Police them finding much weapons, 187 lose him life. Those weapons belonged to your favorite artist. Yes, you named Shane Williams. Him actually left on the scene, take away himself and run left your favorite artist gun them. Now, we don't know what happened to him because the last man they make your favorite artist gun them go missing when you see what that turn out. But this time things kinda different. Back then him did kinda have 87s for that straight. Back then he had a surplus of 87s. So right now at Portmore side, Gregory Park side, is a youth named Shane Williams. I run the road for him. I am under the most damage. And them a war against Chargey Badness and female them who base mainly on golf. Chargey Badness that find your favorite artist that jail. And by the way, if the name Shane Williams sound familiar, it should be. Look on your screen. Yes, the same Shane Williams in the Lizard case. Him same one. He's still around. He's now your favorite artist's main shooter in this war against Chargey Badness. That's how long he's been around, to the point where he's now lead 87s actually carry other man upon shootings. That is why I don't think much is going to happen to him, even though he make your favorite artist lose a number of weapons already. So them I go back and forth, also burn down all kind of chaos in a Gregory Park. People in the community literally are ball for help. And it's not that people don't hear, it's just that people don't care. Yes, entertainment is like Diet Coke to the Jamaican masses. The masses don't care if you get hit with gunshot as long as them get another hit song. The security forces even put out wanted list, the same Shane Williams on it, but you know that guy already, don't get your hopes up. So somehow, in between warring with their favorite artist, Chargey Badness, end up make man a box up another artist who named Silk Boss. Here's the thing. That you Chargey Badness a part of the clan system for a very long time. Now you think to yourself, hold on, clan system? Now Portmore we are talking about. Remember, Klansman gang, at its height, spread far out of Spanish Town. It reached in a Portmore, reach a Linstead, reach all over. Chargey Badness was originally linking with your favorite artist. Way back in the day, right, you have him, you have your favorite artist, you have Jackie and them there, right. Tesha was them done. Although Jackie wasn't really keen on taking talk from Tesha, but Chargey Badness, your favorite artist, Tesha was them done. But now, Chargey Badness and your favorite artist fall out. It's a long time Chargey Badness had do this. I can't even give you a number on the amount of people him kill directly, as in himself, plus where him send others to kill. So when I say Silk Boss associating with them youth, all I can do is shake my head. I tell them already, the link between entertainment and violence in Jamaica, right, coming like Bulla and Peer. People say, I'm a bad mind artist. Alright. Silk Boss just come out and tell them, say, I'm CM friend him, box him up. I'm CM friend him, take all this from him, and intimidate him and all kind of things. He was amongst them. You see, the mistake Silk Boss make is we think say him can tame real 87s. They can give them a thing today, give them a thing tomorrow. But if you don't give them a thing the day after, dog them mess up. You see, Silk Boss is not the first and will not be the last entertainer to get boxed up by 87s. I know enough people laugh off of him, and just because film won't get catch on video. Rest assured, many of your favorite entertainers, may I talk about established artists, used to get beaten like Pitney. Many of them by the Klansman gang. It just never recorded. When them step out of line, man beat them like a them own child. When they then go up on tour, come back from tour, realize that the money short, complain to the money short, then get beaten. You would be surprised to know when your favorite artist them go through. Silk Boss was just unfortunate the film one was recorded. So as me say, this is just an intro to Chargey Badness. Just to make him and your favorite artist know say, we're well aware of them gang war. And Chargey Badness, even though they are foreign, even though them youth they are foreign, and them things that them can just rain on destruction, right, with no repercussion, and that's how it work. You're going to hear more later on, but I want to end with a message to some of my favorite artists them. Enough of you love dibble and dabble in a badness, like when the thing say it's a pool, only can just dip on the toe and take it out back as you feel like, and that's how it work. When I play around with some people, we take life for fun. Mr. Entertainer, energy is real. The energy we want to put out is death and destruction. It's war and chaos. So that's why so much war and chaos follow back on. Look on the genre. Look on the genre them. We have the most man who got jail and most man who dead. Mr. Entertainer, when you come out and say, man want to buy a gun and man want to do this, why wouldn't they? If me see a man on TV and all him promote is stray dog, homeless dog, hungry dog, then me I go approach him and say, hey, see my homeless dog here, feed him and shelter him. You can't turn around and say, yo, where you bring dog come give me for? I just art. The only for hungry belly dog where you see me and show, and the starving dog, I just art, I just entertain. No. Everything you sing about is stray dog. And you love stray dog. So, help feed my stray dog then. When you think when you can play with badness, when you think someone can use reason and rationale with killers, people who don't think twice chop off head, when you think say common sense are going to prevail, no one are going to learn the hard way, Believe it or not, Silk Boss was lucky, so all him get was some box up. Cause them boy they don't hesitate to kill. Now I hope him learn him lesson and she say, them life they are nothing to play with, them youth they are nothing to hang around, but can't tell a man how to live him life. But all time people were saying, who can't hear will feel. Normally, they just leave with their favorite artists and them drama and them foolishness. But this time it just so happened that the same Dan who backs up your favorite young artist is the same person who we have been working on for a while. So, we're not going to see and hear more. Chargey Badness, your reign of death and destruction must come to an end. Unfortunately, we have a system that allow people like you to reign for a very long time, and it look like say, we have to kill 300 people first before them stop. But me know why people like you and your favorite artists and the rest are quote unquote than them can make places like Gregory Park, right, Spanish Town and them place there turn upside down. It's because when they now kill nobody who is quote unquote somebody in the eyes of the establishment. Regular people now kill. And Just like some people you were seeing on this platform before, after them get the intro, things normally get real ugly for them. But you're going to see it turn out. You're going to hear a lot more in the future. Anyway, Agent Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, stay circling.